Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have for today? Come along. We have rounding numbers to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. To round up number, basically there are two rules. If what we are rounding it to, if the digits, for example, I'm rounding up a number like this, 734. And I'm running to the nearest 10. Look at this is the ones part, this is the tenth part. If this number in the unit part or the ones part is up to 5, I round the number up. But if it is not up to 5, I round it down. 734, if I round it down, will be 730. 73, assuming here was a number like 5 or greater than 5. If I'm rounding it up, rounding the number to the nearest 10, it will become 740. Let's look at it in this example. Look at this one. Round up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1234 to the nearest 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the ones part. This is the tenth part. This is where we are going to. Look at the number here before where we are going to. Is it up to 5? No, it's not up to 5, so we round it down, so it becomes 1230. So this is it to the nearest 10. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 says 1837. We asked to round to the nearest 10 also. Now this is the ones part, the tenth part. Now look at this. We are asked to round to the nearest 10. Before it, the ones part, is it up to, that's after I draw that, is it up to 5? Look at the ones part. Is it up to 5? Yes, it's up to 5. So I round it up. How do I round it up? I add the 1 to the tenth part where I am going to. So it becomes 1840. That's the number to the nearest 10. Now it says you should round to the nearest 100. Now this is ones or units, tenths, and 100. The same way, because I'm going to the 100 part, I will check the digits before it, which is the tenth. Is it up to 5? If it is up to 5, I round it up. If it is not up to 5, I round it down. So 3 here is not up to 5, so this becomes 18. We'll round it down. This other one becomes 00. Very simple. Number 3, we asked to round up 1765 to the nearest 100. Look at this is the ones part, the tenth part, the 100 part. Now, if I'm rounding to the 100, nearest 100, I will check the tenth part. Is it up to 5? Yes. I round it up by adding 1 to the 100 part. So this becomes 1800. I add 1 to this. So it becomes 8, the rest becomes 0. And the last one, last but not the least, it says 13,512 to the nearest 1,000. The same way, this is the ones, tenths, 100, the thousands. If I'm going to the 1,000 part, the first thing I will check is the number in the 100 part, which is 5. Is it up to? Yes, it's up. It's 5. Now, what do? We round it up. This 5 will become 0. This will become 0. This will become 0. I will now add the 1 to what digit is on the 1,000 part. So this becomes 14000. Very easy. Let's look at the last one. The B part says 2,354,265 to the nearest 1,000. Of course, we go against ones, tenths, 100, the 1,000. Now, because I'm going to the 1,000 part, I will check the number in the 100 part. Is it up to 5? If it is up to 5, I round it up. If it is not up to 5, I round it down. So this is 2. 2 is not up to 5, so I round it down. So this becomes 2, 3, 5, 4. Everything here will become 0, 0, 0, 0. That's 2,354,000. It's very easy. There are 2 rules there. Anywhere I'm going to check the digit before it. If I'm going to the tenth, I will check the ones part. If I'm going to 100, I'll check the tenth part. If I'm going to 1,000, I'll check the 100 part. We can round up more than that. tens of thousand, I'll check the thousand part. Hundred of thousand, I'll check the tens of thousand part. Million, I'll check the hundred of thousand part. If it is up to 5, add the 1 to where you are going to, or where you were asked to round up. If it is not up to, add 0 to it. That's the number becomes the same, and every other thing becomes 0. I hope you have learned how to round up number to the nearest 10 and to the nearest thousand. Before we go, just like in our usual style, here's some list of take-home fun. Practice this. The first one, you can add 5 to 4 7 to the nearest 10. Take it to the nearest 10. The second one, 1 4 7 8 9 to the nearest 100. The third one, 2 8 4 1 to the nearest 1000. Round it up to the nearest 1000. So the first one, 5 to 4 7 to the nearest 10. Second one, 14,789 to the nearest 100. And the last one, 2841 to the nearest 1000. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. If you have enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you are here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on wonderful content on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. Till we meet again, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.